Hello, welcome back guys to Motorola channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to activate fingerprint on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button below to support the channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open the settings page. And now in this settings, you just have to scroll it down and find the security and privacy options. You just have to tap on it. I'm going to click it. So to activate the fingerprint, here you just have to go to this device unlock first. And now we'll see the fingerprints options. Now you just have to tap on it, guys. To set or to activate the fingerprint, you have to choose your backup screen lock. For the example, there are pattern, pin, and password one. But here I'm gonna use the first one, which is the pattern. I'm gonna tap on it. Now you can set the pattern first. You have to apply it second times for confirmations. And now tap on confirmations button below. And here for the notifications at the lock screen, guys, I'm gonna tap on done. Here to activate the fingerprint, you just have to set up first. At the first time using, I'm gonna tap on this setup options. Now you just have to put your finger down at the sensor button, which is the power button here at the right side. I'm gonna use my thumb. Here I'm gonna tap on the power button. And here you have to touch and leave your thumb again until the sensor is full. You have to move your finger slightly, guys. And it's finished, the fingerprint edit. Now tap on this done option. If you wanna add another fingerprint, tap on this add another. But here I'm gonna tap on done. So here my first fingerprint that I use here, guys. And now I'm gonna try first. I'm gonna turn off the device, and here I'm gonna use my fingerprint to open it like this, guys. So I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Goodbye.